Ms. Paul, I'm concerned about the escalating issue of extended breaks on the night shift. It's impacting patient care. Nurses are taking up to 45 minutes, sometimes even an hour, leaving patients unattended. The other night, during medication rounds, I found a patient's vitals hadn't been checked for over an hour.
Mihira, this is a serious matter. We've addressed this before with stricter break policies. But it seems the problem persists. It's affecting the entire unit's morale. We've had complaints about inadequate staffing, too. It's a domino effect. We need to find a solution that addresses both issues.
Exactly. And the understaffing is exacerbating the problem. Nurses are feeling overwhelmed, leading to longer breaks out of sheer exhaustion. It's a vicious cycle. We need to implement stricter monitoring, perhaps even random checks. Also, we need to address the root cause of the understaffing. Maybe incentives for night shifts or flexible scheduling could help.
You're right, Mihira, we need a comprehensive approach. I'll schedule a meeting with the entire night shift team to discuss this openly. We need to find a solution together. Until then, let's increase the frequency of patient rounds and implement stricter break guidelines. MIHIRA, it's important to know that older adults may bruise more easily after a blood test. This is because their skin can be more delicate, and their veins may be smaller and harder to find. Don't worry, though. Most bruises after a blood test are small and usually go away on their own within a week or two. If the bruise is causing you discomfort, you can take over-the-counter pain relievers like paracetamol. If you have any concerns about bruising or experience any unusual symptoms, please don't hesitate to contact your doctor.